eyes and the world drops dead. I lift my eyes and all is born again. This is our own responsibility to take care of this precious gift given to us. So that is exactly what I am going to help you with. His Excellency, our today's chief guest, Honorable Ambassador from India to Kuwait, Mr. C.B. George, President UP NRI Forum, Mr. Mohammad Khalil Khan, President IDF, Mr. Amir Ahmed, MD Sahara Group of Company, Mr. Azaz Ahmed, my co-speaker, Mrs. Hina Beg, and other dignitaries and attendees. Good evening, Salam Alaikum, Namaste. There is no denying that screen time has skyrocketed since start of COVID-19 pandemic. Here, in this digital world, everything is online, starting from school, colleges, banking, shopping, entertainment, gaming, even consultation with doctor, even this webinar we have to attend online. So it's not possible to escape from digital screen, but yes, it's possible to minimize the bad effect of digital screen by slight change in our habits, lifestyle modification, and environmental modification. So here I am, Dr. Mabel Bishnoi, an eye specialist and eye surgeon, to discuss simple but highly effective tips and tricks to prevent and relieve digital eye strain. First, let's see symptoms of digital eye strain. It includes eye fatigue, pain, headache, blurred vision, neck pain, shoulder pain, concentration, trouble in concentrating, sleeping. आइए जानते हैं डिजिटल आई स्ट्रेन के क्या लक्षण हैं। पहला, आंखें हमेशा थकी हुई लगेगी, आंखों में सूखापन हो सकता है, सिर दर्द, अच्छी गहरी नींद ना आना, कंधों में दर्द, गर्दन में दर्द, किसी भी चीज पे मन ना लगना, मन खराब रहना, चिड़चिड़े होना। So what causes digital eye strain? Actually, viewing computer screen or digital screen makes our eyes work harder. Here you have to understand one point, that viewing digital screen is completely different than reading a printed page. Why? Because text on computer or digital screen is not so precise or sharply defined. Second, the contrast between text and background is reduced. Third is glare, and reflection from screen also causes digital eye strain. Another important cause of digital eye strain is uncorrected vision problem. Third is we may using this screen improperly by holding our screen at wrong angle or by looking it from too far or too close to our eyes. Contact lens wear is also one of the risk factors. आइए जानते हैं किन छोटियों का ध्यान रखकर हम अपनी आंखों को सुरक्षित रख सकते हैं। First is eye examination. Complete comprehensive eye examination is very important. Second, these days, most of my patients are asking what is computer glasses, what is blue glasses, what is blue filter glasses. So, sometime what happen that people don't need any glasses for daily activities, but they need it for viewing computer. So what are computer glasses? These are dedicated pair of glasses which has magnification power, and it relieves eyes, relieving muscle tension both inside and outside the eyes. In fact, it is a reading glasses, but at a distance of, let's say, 24 inches or 60 centimeter, which is the best distance for keeping your screen. I always compare this with the lifting weight. Actually, our eyes are not meant to hold at particular distance for so long. Let's say we are holding weight of 10 kg at particular distance, and we hold as long as we can, and then eventually it gets tired. But computer glasses reduces it to, let's say, 2 kg. So think how you feel. So computer glasses is one way to relieve digital eye strain. Next is blink more often. Here is one question for all of you. How many times normally we blink in a minute? I repeat, how many times we normally blink in a minute? You can type your answer in chat box. Okay. So normally we blink 14 to 18 times per minute. But studies show that staring at digital screen reduces it to 5 to 7 times per minute. So what happens? Long non-blinking causes quick evaporation and severe dryness. So conscious effort to blink reduces dryness. And if still dry eyes persist, then there are simple tips and tricks. First is drink more water. Second, you can place some open mouth container filled with water in every room at your home or at your workplace. If you are living in dry climate like Kuwait, humidifier is the best option. If still dry eye persist, better to go for lubricating eye drops about 3 to 4 times per day. Most common question which is asked on Google form is which is best lubricating eye drop. So my suggestion is try to use preservative-free lubricating eye drops, which includes, for example, Blink from Johnson & Johnson Vision, Refresh, Sustain from Elcon, etc. If still dry eye persists, please consult your ophthalmologist. What is this? In cricket, 20-20 is getting popularity. So here I add one more 20. It's 20-20-20 rule. Let's see what is this. This is my personal favorite as my most of patients benefited by using it. So it is every 20 minutes, take a break for 20 seconds and look 20 feet away. So how to apply this rule? You can set an alarm for every 20 minutes. There are certain apps like Protect Your Vision Eye Care app, which help you to follow this rule. Third point is that measuring 20 feet in the room is slightly difficult. So better to see through the window to some tree or lamp post. As eye specialist and philanthropist, I like to request and suggest all the school staff attending this webinar. I repeat, all the school staff attending this webinar, I strongly recommend to include this 20-20-20 rule into your curriculum. Now question is why and how? First, I'll answer why. Most of the school is giving break after 1 or 1.5 hours. So what happened? Most of the students, kids, they either do their homework or play video games or watch YouTube or TikTok, etc. So there is no rest at all, even more and more eye strain. Now, how to implement this rule? Tutor, after every 20 minutes, will announce in a class, let's have a 20-second break, look away from the screen. And then they can blink with students and clap like this. Clap, blink 1, blink 2, blink 3, blink 4, up to blink 20. This not only relieves eye strain, but also makes kids more active and they will concentrate better in the class. Okay, let's do this exercise together. Everyone please look away from the screen and for next 20 seconds, do this exercise with me. Clap and blink with me. Blink 1, blink 2, blink 3, blink 4, blink 5, blink 6, blink 7, blink 8, blink 9, blink 10, blink 11, blink 12, blink 13, blink 14, blink 15, blink 16, blink 17, blink 18, blink 19, and blink 20. So, how are you feeling? Great? Eyes relaxed? Okay. And I am glad to inform you that on my suggestion, some schools in North India is following this rule as part of their daily curriculum, and school staff and parents both are very happy as their kids benefited a lot. Next point is distance and height of the screen. First come distance. Distance must be around 24 inches or 1 arm length from you. So it's better to give high five to your screen before start of your work. Regarding height, the center of screen should be 10 to 15 degrees below your eyes so that your head and neck will be comfortable. Next is use proper lighting. Eye strain is often caused by excessive bright lighting, either coming from outdoor sunlight or harsh interior lighting. So better to adjust your computer so that it may be right window, maybe right or left to you, not in front or in your back. Second, the fluorescent light must be even, you can turn off or reduce it, or you can use floor lamps. Next is upgrade your display. If you have not done so far, upgrade old cathode ray tube monitor with the new flat panel LED. Why? Because these old cathode ray tube flat panel screen, they produces flickers, noticeable flicker, which is major cause of digital eye strain. Second, try to use highest resolution and display size must be as large as possible. Minimum at least diagonal size should be 19 inches. Next is computer display setting. First is brightness, very important. Brightness of your screen must be equal to brightness of your surrounding. For this, you can have one test. Look at your web white page. If it looks like a bright source of light, that means it's too much bright. And if it is dull gray, that means it is dark. Apart from this, there is one free software, Flux, Flux. You can download it. It automatically changes brightness of your screen related to your surroundings. You can enable night mode so that every evening around 7 p.m. it automatically dims your brightness, screen brightness till next morning. Next come glare. Minimize glare by installing anti-glare screen. You can increase font size according to your comfort. Regarding contrast, best contrast is black text and white background. One question is why to switch off all screens an hour before bedtime? Actually, the blue light, which is coming from your mobile phone or laptop computer screen, restrains the production of melatonin, the hormone which is responsible for the sleep-awake cycle. So it disturbs your sleep. That's why you switch off all screens at least an hour before bedtime. Now there are tips and tricks for contact lens user. First, give your eyes break by using spectacles sometime. Second is, don't sleep with contact lenses at all. If it labeled extended wear, then also. Third, proper cleaning. Fourth, if your eyes are irritating, there is a burning, redness, watering, please consult your ophthalmologist. Next is swap some digital activities with audio ones. Try to listen audiobooks as compared to ebooks. You can give YouTube, Netflix a miss and try to read podcast. You can play board games, cards instead of electronic games. You can talk on phone as compared to video, chatting or texting, and you can walk while talk. Here is carry home message. First is eye examination. हर साल एक बार अपनी आंखों की पूरी तरह जांच करवाएं. दूसरा, जितना हो सके आंखों को झपकाएं. अगर आंख में नमी कम है तो उसका ट्रीटमेंट लें. नेक्स्ट आता है 20-20-20 रूल. हर 20 मिनट के बाद 20 सेकंड का ब्रेक लेना है और 20 फीट दूर देखना है. जब भी स्क्रीन पे बैठते हैं तो पहले अपने स्क्रीन को हाई फाइव दें. ब्राइटनेस, आपकी स्क्रीन की ब्राइटनेस आपके कमरे की ब्राइटनेस के बराबर होनी चाहिए. ग्लेयर नहीं होना चाहिए स्क्रीन पे. फॉन्ट साइज आप अपने हिसाब से बढ़ा सकते हैं. कंट्रास्ट, बेस्ट कंट्रास्ट है काले रंग के अक्षर हो और सफेद बैकग्राउंड हो. लाइटिंग, प्रॉपर लाइटिंग होनी चाहिए. विंडो आपके राइट या लेफ्ट में होनी चाहिए, आगे या पीछे नहीं. अपना डिस्प्ले, मॉनिटर डिस्प्ले को अपग्रेड कीजिए. कैथोड रे ट्यूब नहीं, नया एलईडी. कम से कम सोने के 1 घंटे पहले स्क्रीन पे देखना बंद कर दें. लेकिन अगर वो पॉसिबल नहीं है तो एटलीस्ट नाइट मोड इनेबल करके रखें, जिससे उस दिन शाम से लेके अगले दिन सुबह तक ऑटोमेटिकली लाइट डिम हो जाए. बड़े स्क्रीन अच्छे होते हैं, मतलब कंप्यूटर बेटर है टैबलेट से, टैबलेट बेटर है फोन से. अगर आप बहुत बिजी हैं तो बच्चों को टीवी के सामने बिठाएं, उनको मोबाइल या आईपैड देके नहीं. If still you have any question or doubt, please free to email me at dr.mabel@outlook.com, or you can comment me on my YouTube channel, Dr. Mabel, or you can message me on Instagram, icare.tips. In last, I would like to thank UP NRI Forum to give me this great opportunity. Thank you. Jai Hind.